So many of you are wondering how to earn and be part of the Pacifica Airdrop being a closed beta. Well, I got the answer for you, so make sure to leave a like and we jump straight to the laptop. First thing first, come and join my trading channel on Telegram. Free to join, no strings attached. Link will be down below. Simply join. We got technical analysis and all of that on a daily basis for all of you so that you can make points trading the airdrops and grabbing everything. And here we are over on Pacifica. So Pacifica is a closed beta and they are starting to grow. They just been the first day yesterday when they did a $1 billion in 24-hour volume. So it's great. And we are growing. Currently, as you see over here, I do have a long and I do trade on it. You can see it here, the selling, the buying, as we see here, fulfill taker. And all of this, I do have currently a long on Ethereum at a 81% profit, $187, which is actually nice. I do believe that we're gonna go and see close to 4,500, so I'm not closing it right now. But how to join? Well, the link it is down below. It is a closed beta, and I do have limited access for all of you, so make sure to come and join before it is too late. There could be possibilities also to come and join if you are 2 or 3 days late. Absolutely yes. As the codes get renewed, then I will renew the one over here and find the link down below. So it is very, very simple. As we see here, by joining my team, you also get a 10% a 10% point increase on every trade, as well as a 5% rebate on all of the fees that you generate. So you get basically money back. Here we got the point system. I'm currently at 52. You need to have a daily volume of $10,000 in order to receive the points on a daily basis. So make sure to always keep your volume up over here. Simple to do it. You simply open a 50x transaction over here on Ethereum or Bitcoin, and you do it once or twice. You spend probably 70 cents in fees. Try to close it at maybe a 1% profit or 2% profit. And that is how you keep your points growing. You simply need to have a 10,000 per day volume, which is really, really important. We then have the leaderboard over here, which you can go and check your rank, etc. And the referrals that you see here, my community, the ranking that we are, and the volume that we're doing. And as a community, we do grow much bigger and you do get more points as well if you're part of the community. So it is super simple to trade, just like what we've seen on Aster or any other perpetual DEX or any other trading platform. It only counts perpetual trades. That is how you get points. You cannot do any spot trading. It is on Solana, and as you see here, you can deposit right here from directly from your Phantom wallet, which is absolutely amazing. So simply go and get your Phantom wallet, deposit USDC on Solana, and you will be good to go. And then you deposit, and in about 10 seconds you see it in your wallet, and you simply go and open a trade. You have all the pairs right here on the top left corners: Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, Pump, and all of them, Hype, Doge, anyone that you want. So this is actually super easy, and it is a closed beta, so we are super early. We need to go and farm it right now because we don't want to miss it, kind of like we did with Aster. Talking about Aster, if you want, there is a 10%, as we see here, commission rate for all of my followers. You can come and join there as well. Utilize my link as well, so thank you if you come and join. And we do have the rewards. We're at a 1.5x, so come and join there. We're getting points. I dedicated video on the Aster point as well, how to calculate everything. You can find it on my channel. But aside from Pacifica and Aster, I also want to emphasize one thing, which it is the SunPerp exchange right here. This is the perpetual decentralized exchange of Tron DAO. We know Tron, it is the number 4. If we simply go over here to CoinGecko right here, we can go and check it. It is the token number 4, 5, or 6, somewhere on the top, as we see here, number 10. And this is Tron's perpetual decentralized exchange. Tron has a market cap of $32 billion. So this one, it has the very early stage, and there is the Sun token, as we see right here, and I am long there as well. I will leave you this link down below. I do consider this one of the early plays, just like Pacifica, and there are two completely different ones. Pacifica is rumored to be backed by FTX, and it is on the Solana ecosystem. Sun, it is actually backed by the Tron DAO. Justin Suns, if you go over on Twitter, it is mentioning on a daily basis. So we do have the possibility of a super spike of 10,000% in case it goes into a partnership with Tron DAO, or Justin Sun itself decides to do some crazy stuff. So that's why it is backed, and it is the actual decentralized exchange of Tron. So I do have high hopes for it, and I will leave the link down below. And again, we have welcoming bonus also there for you. We go gas fees. There is no gas fees also on SunPerp for you to go and trade on. So super nice. You have the possibility to stake and everything. And Pacifica and SunPerp are the two one. Remember, SunPerp, I do have a referral link, so no problem. You can join anytime you want. Pacifica as well, I will try to get a referral link, but I know the places are limited, as we see right here on the refer page. The places codes can be generated. There is a max. So come and trade it before it is too late. and come and get yourself the airdrop. It is super easy. I'm actually probably looking to close this position because 81% does look juicy. It does look nice. The profit and loss is $183, which I'm not spitting on $185 right now, potentially going into $200. So make sure to let me know what you think down in the comments below. But it is super easy. Simply join through the link below. It is a closed beta. That's why there are the links, because being a closed beta, it is at the very, very early stages. We potentially could see another 20 to 30 weeks of this point system going on. So we do have a lot of time to go and trade. Absolutely, yes. But do not fade it and simply create volume. As I said, you do need the volume. Go and create the volume. As you see here, I do have a $11,500 position open to create volume for the 10,000 on a daily, which it's actually very nice because I did take the profit. I do have a take profit at 4,500 over for Ethereum. Depending on when you look at this video, you can calculate if I was a good trader or not. My liquidation price is 4,299, 4,300, let's call it, which does look pretty good, I gotta say, over here for this range of price that we do see. It would be a little bit of a drawdown from where we are right now. So potentially, if we are right here, it would have to go down about here 3.75%, which it's absolutely possible with Ethereum. That is why I am a little bit scared to simply keep this open, even though I do think that we're gonna see 4,500. So with that said, I'm actually gonna place my closing point at 4,490 for a $256 profit, just below that big number of the 4,500. Why? Because profit is always profit. Don't forget to take profit even when you see a little bit of it. Don't forget, if you're not trading with tens of millions of dollars, don't forget to take your profit. But we gotta say, guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you did enjoy it. This was a quick video. Come and trade over on Pacifica. Super, super important. And I'll see you all later. Ciao, guys.